And you, if you want, not just
Isn't that a good thing for you?
I wonder how that's a good thing for me.
Because I see you with a new look. So I have to go to the road look like.
No mercy. Okay. So I have a new hairstyle. I
So,
got a short
lift it
hairstyle.
up.
A short hair look. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nadia. In today's video, my husband is doing my hair again, but this time we are getting a haircut. Yes, remember I told you in a video some time ago that my hair got damaged when I used this particular cream. I've never used that cream in my hair before. Somebody gave it to me and I decided to use the cream. Not gonna say the name of the cream. I decided to use a cream, but I was supposed to put something in it and I didn't read the thing. I thought, oh, it's a cream, it's in a bottle, just cream your hair with it. After I did it and I realized something was wrong, I went and researched it and I realized, oh my goodness, I was supposed to add these things to the cream. And because I didn't read the label, I just started creaming my hair. This is the result. My hair look like really bad right now. Look at that. Whole lot of breaking, whole lot of breakage I have in my head right now, or in my hair. So that's why I decided to get a haircut. Judah was saying, I don't want to cut your hair. Suppose I mess up your hair. I said, listen, you cut the boy's hair, so cut mine. He was saying I must go to a salon. I said, why should I go to a salon when I have you to cut it? And guys, you saw the first part of the video. It turned out so good. Oh my goodness, it turned out so good. Yeah. So, anyways, stay tuned, guys.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Till you wet, I bet that we could see you. got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Oh, you're starting to look like a boy.
I
A
can
head
never look like a
sog
boy.
boy.
I can never look like a boy, man.
Yeah, but you
Never.
look like a hedgehog.
I'm look like a hedgehog boy.
Guys, comment down if mom looks like a hedgehog boy.
Look where he's talking. Make me a put your one. You see that?
No! No, please. Oh, it's just Mommy,
Hmm?
it's spiky. Okay?
So my spike hedgehog.
You look like a rock. I can't say you're a rock star. Because at the same time, you look like a boy. I don't feel hedgehog. So, guys, this is my mother. And I don't like when my mother is a boy. But she's a boy. Our mother is a boy.
Enough of this, I come off.
Hmm. You see as it go on, as
You see that?
which part? Just a pickles?
Yes, yes, watch it. Move your hand. Look me, watch it.
I can't see. Just a pickles?
No, feel this. Oh, yes, a short content.
Oh.
You can make a nut doll hair with that.
It damaged me hair bad.
Just leave it alone.
I had no option but to cut it.
Jordan, what kind of doll here you are going to
No, you don't
what
make
kind of
doll.
doll
You
here
don't
you
make
are
doll here. You're a
I'm
boy.
gonna make a doll here.
So nice.
Hmm.
Gee, where is it? Just Jordan, let me umbrella on Jordan.
Oh, and it. Yeah, it's better last time you're a boy.
Let me just cut off all the hair.
Hmm?
Your hair looks so short.
Yeah, I'm telling you. The thing is, you cannot give a Captain Tom Mason job.
You come over better now, Susan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah, no.
combing down your hair and then chop it off.
Yeah, sure.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go, gonna go, gonna go there. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. Every night are we paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place.
sir.
funny if I burn you, you know. And when you get touched by the mosquito bat, you're gonna love it, mom. And you want to get touched again? It feels good, I promise. Y'all are boring.
Thanks, we're old people.
Old people are boring. Even grandma's more fun.
Because
doesn't
I'm
matter.
fun and grandmother's.
Gonna go see grandma. Grandma said, she just stared at me, scary. Then mom was can't see him good nation. Just mom just stare upon him. She looks so scary, just staring at me.
He's like, what the hell is that thing?
That's what grandma said, Justin. Why can't that little thing? Okay, so because they want a different woman, you cut off my ear, let me look like a different woman.
Isn't that a good thing for you?
A new wife, a new you.
And you wife, you want no Justin?
Isn't that a good thing for you?
I wonder how that's a good thing for me.
Because I see you with a new look. So I have to go out the road go look like.
No mercy. Okay. So you didn't want to go to regular lucky?
Are you attacking? No? Me just attack.
Just me you kill yourself?
How
Okay.
me kill myself now? Tell me.
You just say
And you say me cut off head. Hold up, sir. Hold up, sir. Should make your mother call in it in the first place. Yeah, that's nice.
I have nothing wrong with you. Cutting off head business.
I me get paid for them. I work on me.
a different money I get to yourself about.
Should we pay me good?
Printer don't get no money.
Should we pay me good?
You don't know if different man still like that one, no, remember? I wanted to come back with body and bunks, you understand?
Mean by that.
That one.
Come back with enough body and
Yeah.
Just in saying we come back with more bodies than you can imagine. The graveyard boy already.
Oh, yeah, get the bed them from Justin.
Graveyard boy
That's
got on
secret.
there.
Huh?
A graveyard man. As in put on the body boy to give Put up in a grave ball.
Help me. No, you don't think I'm thinking that, please. Yeah.
Oh.
Put down somebody up. Look at you now. You didn't have to comb it down. It does look nice.
Yeah, be coming down for.
No, I don't like it comb down. Look at that. Who could have believed me could have given such a nice look? Oh
You
my
didn't even
God,
comb
she
it.
looks so cute. Look at that.
I want cut me here in the back.
Me.
Justin, look for your mother. Oh, she cute.
Oh, yes, cute.
Yo, I look.
Jessica, go look at mommy here.
No way, you look a boy. You look like Michael Jackson's wife. Michael Jackson's wife, mom.
Come look.
It's worse.
Oh, that looks. Mom, now you look like
Turn on.
one of those anime people.
Look how you look nice. Me do that.
Me
Me
too.
too.
Why you
The one who had the anime people. Mrs. What is it? Mrs.
Wilson.
No, from The
Come on
Incredibles.
here.
This is the light.
Miss.
Look at
No,
that.
Miss.
Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Oh. 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 Oh, look at that Karen.
Greatest and lesser capacity. I'm counting forward and backward.